Do you have a series of losing trades?
Now
not so much.
Okay, in your younger days?
Many.
The question is that when you have this series of losing trades, then what do?
Take a break.
Really? You don't continue?
You say it's not professional, but I had to take a break.
Would you ever give up or stop trading?
Never.
Even at the point where, I mean, this is for myself, right? At the point where before I die, I will still be looking at the chart.
Said that if I ever get dementia, remember to bring me a computer with internet connection and charts. But I just want to die trading, die looking at charts. Yeah,
Okay,
I just love it so much. Yeah, I just love that it's so predictable.
What makes you think it's predictable? Because a lot of people couldn't handle it because it's not predictable. What are the things that you think are predictable?
If you really look at it, it's true, right? If you have for example, S-back, and the next thing you have a elbow. So the S-back wrong, the elbow must be correct, what?
Okay, so S-back and elbow will be from Ted, okay?
Yeah.
But do you flip the trades then?
I can. Now I can.
Now you can.
Last time I couldn't.
So how about you S-back, elbow,
totally
then
wrong, I can.
L-back, and then up-bull, you know?
So I'm not that immediate. I will analyze. I kena wash and rinse. I flip and I short already. For example, I longed it. Then I kena wash and rinse. I will flip and I'll short.
And which time frame do you use when you flip and short? In the first
higher
place,
higher time frame.
Must be higher time frame.
Lower time frame, too much noise.
Higher time frame would means a H4.
Day. But I can flip now. I can flip my mind around. If I'm wrong, totally wrong, I can flip my mind around. In the past, I couldn't.
These are trades which are done by myself or my students using the Alien War strategy. Join our community and take advantage of our 6 times a week training lessons, automated trade signals, and live trading sessions with our experienced alien traders. Over 1,000 students have already taken advantage of this offer and seen success. Visit this website now to learn more and join our community.